Here we go. That is worth stopping and looking at. There's the tow setup. Gorgeous. Well, it is light out. I've driven about 110 miles. I think the total trip is about 250 miles, so almost halfway there. Everything's going smooth so far. Super nice day for a drive. Yeah, I'll keep you posted as I get there and get things loaded up and all that. Should be pretty exciting. Well, there it is. As the extra auxiliary hydraulic line, thumb, 6-way blade, which is definitely a feature I wanted. Pretty sweet. Get it loaded up. Well, nothing simple. So this, I always use these binders to tie my machine down, but on here, the height, this isn't quite high enough. So to make these fit, they don't quite fit, so I have to cut the tip of the hook off. Now it fits. Well, so far it's going well. It's towing well, handling well. Took a little while to get loaded up just because I've had like hauled and loaded my other machine so many times. You get used to where to park and you know, to balance the trailer and where to tie down and all that stuff. And it's a different machine, so everything was different. And then the hooks on my binders not quite fitting in there, so it took a while to load up. But once I got moving, yeah, things are going smoothly. It handles really well. It's like 2,000 pounds heavier than my U35. So the U35 I think is like 8,300 pounds, and this is about 10,500. But the trailer still handles it really well, and so does the truck. So the trip is going well so far. Taking the more scenic route home through the trees because the interstate's pretty boring, and I've driven it so many times. But and it's about 250 mile drive. I know I already mentioned that, but we do have a Kubota dealership closer. It's just the pricing where we live is so poor. Everything is marked way up, and so to drive about 4.5 hours to save about, I don't know, it was right around $8,000 difference to buy local or to go for a 4-hour drive, and that's a no-brainer to me. So that's why I'm driving so far. But yeah, so far it's going well. I pray to God I don't hit a deer on the way home or anything like that, because there's a lot of deer on our roads at any time of the day, it seems like. But I'm going pretty slow and steady, so I'll try to keep my eyes peeled. Well, thank God I just made it home safe. No accidents, no deer or anything crazy like that. Definitely killed a lot of bugs on that windshield, but yeah, super excited to try it out and take it to work on Monday.